into the quiet night. Let me pour this final thoughts into your hands. I look at the horizon of our tomorrow, and even if the world turns to a desert where love cannot bloom, I will be all yours. I have no riches, so I surrender my heartbeat to you. I can't build you a castle where the mountains touch the sky, and I have no diamonds to make the world look twice. But I promise to drape you in dignity, stripping away the rags of yesterday, laying a kingdom of devotion right at your feet. Look at me, this empty space is yours to fill. I offer you my soul. My love runs deeper than the oceans can measure. To shelter you, to serve you, is the only rhythm my heart knows. I have no crown to give, so let my thoughts of you be your goal. In the world of fleeting things, I offer you my forever. Stripping away the rags of yesterday, laying a kingdom of devotion right at your feet. Look at me, this empty space is yours to fill. I offer you my soul. My love runs deeper than the oceans can measure. To shelter you, to serve